Hi friends, welcome to the Snap Quiz. Are you ready for today's challenge? Find the odd one out, numbers and letters edition. You got 45 questions across 3 levels, easy, medium and hard. And you have 15 seconds to each one. Let's start from simple question and easy level first. Here's come the first easy level challenge. Can you spot the odd number? Time's up. Here is the correct answer. Which number is unique? Take a closer look. Great job, the unique one is right here. Anybody can spot the letter YU within given time. Great catch, the odd letter YU is right there. Among these numbers, let's try to find the unique one. Of course, it's the number 20. Which one is the most different from the rest? Sharp work, the odd one is right in front of you. Can you find the letter ZV between these letters? You got it, that trick is ZV. Which number does not belong on this group? Great observation, you found it. Here you next challenge, find the odd one quick. You found the exact one, well done. Can you find the letter AW within time? AW is the odd letter here. Where is the unique number? 15 seconds left. You got it, another perfect find. Now can you find the odd one here? Yup, the odd one is right here. Anybody can find the letter BX between these letters? It's right here, you are a star. Which one is different on this board? Exactly, this one does not match the others. Which number is unlike any of the others? Excellent catch, the odd one easy to spot now. Hi genius, anybody can find within 15 seconds. Awesome, it's the letter CY. Next round, which one is different on this board? It's right here, keep on going. You found the unique number on this board. Wow, it's number 198. You are a star. Spot the different letter on this picture. Nicely done, is the letter KOL. Can you spot the odd number? Give it a try. Nice catch, you found it. Can you identify the odd number here? Spot on, is number 180 right here. Which letter is different from all the others? Can you spot it? Yes, the odd letter LPM is right here. Test your observation skills, find 131 within time. Awesome job, keep it up. Quick challenge, can you spot the different one? Perfect, here is the answer. Can you spot the unusual letter hiding in here? That's right, it's the letter MQN. Anybody can find 141 within given time. Exactly, that's the odd one out. Can you catch the odd number here? There it is, you found it. Which letter does it match the others? Yes, is right here. You got it. Are you focus master? Find 151 within time. That's one, the number 151. Where is the odd number within time? Brilliant, you found very first try. Can you spot the unique letter on this board? Awesome, here is the unique letter. Hi viewer, can you see the different one? Wow, is right here. Stay sharp, find the odd number here. Sharp eyes, here is the odd number. Hi viewer, try to find the odd one out. Right here, that's the odd one. Excellent work. Can you spot the unique number? Awesome, here is the unique number. Spot the odd among the mix of number. Yes, is right here. You got it. Try this number and letter addition test. Great eyes, that one is different. Which number is the odd one? Great job, here which you found. Can you find the odd number here? Wow, is right here. One character is different from the rest. Can you detect it? Incredible, here is the odd number. Which number does it match the others? Yes, this one is the different. Test your observation skills. Super sharp, here it is. Try to spot the odd one out. Great job, this one is different from the others. Test your fast IQ level. Fantastic is the tricky one. Try this focus test. Easy win, the answer is right here. Last one for the round, spot the hidden number. Well done, you found it.